It's gonna be loud, I can just feel it. Apparently he's got anti-lag as well. Okay guys, so as you can see in front of me, there's a nice new Audi RS3 in nice little Nardo grey color. I think he knows I was recording it because he was accelerating, so I don't know, let's see, maybe he does something at the robot. We never know. Who thinks he should give it? I think he should give it. He knows. He knows, guys. So cool. I love it when people. Yeah, go baby. RSQ5. Yo. What a way to start the vlog for the boys. I don't know if it's focused. Let me just check quick. Woo! Guys, I was spoiled today. RSQ5. Welcome back to another video. It's Wednesday. We're heading to Milkshake Wednesday for a nice little meetup with Corrupt Group. So we'll see what happens tonight, what cars pull up. The group was kind of quiet, so I'm not sure what might pitch up, but finding an RS3 and RSQ5 on the road, not a bad start. I'll check you guys when they pull up. Yeah guys, so I don't think the usual group is, I know they had an event last night and I don't know what they got up to, so maybe a couple of people are hanging over, I don't know. But there is a couple of cars in the corner, so I'm just going to pull up there, my camera, take some snaps. Really still love these BBS wheels that's on the Hyundai. Available at Auto Style. It's a culture, as you got told. Mine, really good. Why? Oh, dirt wise, no. That is yeah, that's next level. Oh jeez. Do you drive on a dirt road? Yeah. Brandon. Nice to meet you, man. What have you done? Everything is still standard. No.
Own filter and downpipe.
Okay.
So far I've just put stage 2.
Okay, so you did the tuning and stuff. And how's it? It's pretty decent.
It's giving me a bit of problems steering wise, but I'll sort that out.
These ones are quite difficult though because a mate of mine shot valves, so like, and that was like just stock. He didn't do anything to it, and he just like, yeah. How's it, man? How are you? You're on the video. Jeez. Just a hit. Gunshots. I like the diffuser. Looks sick. Yeah. Where are you from, man? You're around here, Boxburg. Oh, Benoni, and you?
Boxburg, just down the road.
Just down the road, nice. Everyone's nice and close.
Yeah.
I'm from Kempton. Yeah. Sounds really sick. D3L tuned, dark side car culture. Love the sticker though, looks sick. So this OPC, yeah, basically behind me makes about 147 kilowatts, 300 newton of torque. His tune is done through D3L, stage 2. He said he's going to do big turbo next, so yeah, hopefully I'll see him around on Milkshake Wednesdays and we'll be able to get a ride sometime soon. That Golf does not sound right. Hey.
These my daddies make it hurt.
know the red Subi was that. This Opel Astra looks pretty dope as well. I don't know if you guys saw that one now, but looks really sick. I think it has 15-inch BBS wheels. Looks really dope. Hey, someone is giving us some pops and bings. Mr. Sheldon. Say bro. Lekker. Greet my hand. How are you, dude? Hello. How are you? I almost thought you had a dope in your hand, but I saw it your phone. I don't know what's making such a big noise. Is it that? Nope. It's still coming. Can you guys hear that? Oof. It sounds wild. I got him on tape. Hey! Oh, fucking love it when I see shit like that. Oh, fuck. And I think it's bagged or something. It's lower health. Lower health. Someone is racing. It's City Golfs. Oh yeah, GTR's back. the missing GTR. Hello. Oh fuck. I love a GTR. Oh, so here it comes. Oh my god. Damn, this thing is so sick. Oh my god. Just wet myself. I miss a big hoor. Of uit 'n wille manual.
Hi guys, I'm Oswin. I'm a car collector. It started a few years ago.
Yeah.
My dad was into car collecting as well, so I'm following his passion. And yeah, it's a hectic hobby, but I'm enjoying it. Yeah, thanks.
So yeah, he's taking out the OPC quick. He wants to hear what his car sounds like from the outside. Sounds pretty dope. Yeah, so he's gonna come for a little flyby. Keen to see if this thing makes some flames. Apparently it makes some big flames, so let's see. Woo. It's gonna be loud, I can just feel it. Apparently he's got anti-lag as well. Fucking eardrums. Oh shit. Jason, R20. Let's check out Sheldon's little i20. He's won a couple of awards with this already, but looks really dope. Yeah guys, so on that note, I'm gonna end the video. Bit of a quiet night this Wednesday, but we'll be back next week Wednesday for another Milkshake Wednesday with the Corrupt crew. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you for all the new subscribers. We almost had 750 subscribers. Can't wait to keep it growing, and thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you for Thank you for everyone that's always supporting and liking and sharing the videos. I really appreciate it. Peace out, keep the good vibes flowing, just keep going, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.